everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest. I have my nephew David. He's 9 years old and he wants to do my makeup today. So this is going to be so exciting. I'm so excited to see what kind of look I'm going to get today. Are you ready? Alright, let's get started. Okay, everything's out here ready for you in the row. You pick what you want to do. Okay, let's start with, okay, that goes, it's a primer. I'm going to put it all over my face. Ready? Like a moisturizer. You're going to put it all over. You can stand. Yeah, put it on your hand like a cream. Then you're going to put it all over Aunt Laura's face. Okay? That's good. Perfect. Okay. Very nice. Wow. Rub it in. You can use your whole hands. There you go. Very nice. Doesn't it smell nice? And this side too. Wow. Very nice. That's, you want to do a little more on the side? Okay. There we go. It's got my primer going. Here, let me move it more so you can. There you go. There. I think that's good. Very nice. I'm all primed. Am I glowy? Yeah. Okay. Now, foundation. Okay. You're going to do, I'll pump it on my hand, okay? And what you're going to do is put it first with your fingers and then you take the brush and you blend it, okay? There you go. Wow, very nice. That's it. Put a dot on the forehead. Over here. Over here. On my nose. Add a little bit more around the cheek. Just add some more dots where there's empty spots. More. Lots of spots. There we go. Look at you, David. I'm so impressed. Very nice. Perfect. And a little bit under here. Perfect. Now you take, add more? Sure. Add whatever much you think I need. And you take the brush and you blend it in. That's it. Perfect. All over the face. Very nice. Wow, what a good job, David. Oh, I'm so excited to see what look you're going to do for me. Very nice. Isn't he doing a good job? My niece Amanda's here, but she's a little shy to say hi. Maybe I could convince her to just maybe pop her head in later to say hi. We'll see. She's very beautiful. Wow, look at that. Thank you. You think it's all blended? Okay, thank you.
Actually, can do David's makeup.
Now, concealer. This one like this goes under the eyes like this. Okay? And then you do a few little dots under the eye, yeah? A few little dots. Very nice, very nice. Okay, a little bit up here. And a little bit here. And a little bit more. Very nice. A little bit under the chin. Very nice. And then you take that, then you blend it under the eyes. First you blend it down. Very nice. Wow. The chin. Do I look pretty? Okay. Good boy. Now we're going to take the powder. Okay? You pour it, plop it in, and you're going to set Aunt Laura's whole face. Everything. Okay? Very nice. Setting my face now. It's all set. You want more? Oh. Okay, beautiful. Thank you. Now we're going to do the eyes. You ready? Here's the eyeshadow brush. Pick any color you want, okay? Any color, and you put it all over here. Just the eyes, okay? Don't touch. Okay, all right.
Whoa.
You can pick 2 colors, 3 colors, whatever you want, okay?
David. Give you a hint.
Wow, very nice. Look at that. No, you do? It's okay. No. Just take the brush and just fluff it away. It's okay. I look beautiful. Come on. I have to say, I love it. You're going to do more powder? Okay, you know what you can do too? You could put a little more foundation where the spots are, where the black is. Just tap it with your finger and blend it. Okay, if you want to fix it. There you go. There you go. See how fast it is? It goes away? Very nice. And then the other side.
Mom, I bet I
Here you
can
go.
beat you on this as much as I can go. Look.
This
On
side?
this?
That's okay, the inside. Oh, look at you. You're really going to clean it up. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at you. Very nice. Oh, thank you. Do I look pretty? There's more if you need here. And do this part here. Oh, this part here.
Can you?
We'll see.
Do it?
You could do it. Oh, look at him. He knows what to do and everything all by himself. Wow. Very nice. Good boy. That looks nice. I'm loving it. Okay. I love it. Ooh, very good. Setting it now. Very nice. Good boy. Does that look pretty? Okay, we're good. I like it. It's all cleaned up. Okay, now bronzer. Okay, and the bronzer goes on the cheeks, like right here. See? Look. Okay, you go like that. Tap it as much as you want. Ready?
Oh, they're going too fast.
That good? Very nice. Okay, now we need blush. Same thing on the cheeks. Ready?
You can let him do mascara. Mascara.
Okay, how do I look? Do I look pretty? Okay, now you need to put mascara on the eyelashes. It's like a little,
And
okay? Very nice. Another eye. All right, put as much as you want. There you go.
Watch your eyeball.
He's good. He's doing good. All right. Look how pretty I look. I love it. You're better than me. Ready for the lipstick? Now you have to line the lips. Put the lip liner. You line it. And then you use the lipstick. And you put it all over. Ready? Okay. Oh, I'm going to have Kylie Jenner lips. Oh, look at that.
Miranda saying
All right. Look at that big lips. Okay. I picked red too.
Did you? It's too hard. But...
she's a second Miranda.
How do I look?
Just weird with the...
Very
Well,
nice.
fix it. It's okay. Fix it. What do you think I need to be fixed? You're the makeup artist.
Oh,
What do you think we should do? You fix it. Here you go. Okay. What do you think we need to do? Okay. All right. There we go.
Oh.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
I look pretty. I should go out now. Waste this makeup? What do you think? We go out? Yeah, go ahead. There you go, that's better. That's a lot better. What do you think? Yeah. Very nice. Now, you gotta set all this beautiful makeup in place. You gotta spray this on my face. All over.
Oh, it's so
All right.
Nice.
There we
Way to go, bud.
All right, everyone, look at this. I think this is the best I've looked ever. Thank you for being on my channel.
Big kiss on his cheek, Laura. Leave the red lipstick.
Mwah. That's for doing such a wonderful job. Say bye.
Hi.
Say I had fun.
Have fun.
See you all again soon.
See you all again soon.
Say love you. Mwah. Bye. Bye. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Love you. Ciao. We're done.
Can we do David's
look,
makeup now?
I gotta go show Grammy. Get Johnny to pause. Every time I pause it, I don't know. Johnny, you gotta pause it. Let's go show everybody how beautiful I look.
Can we do it again?
No,
Guys, what do you think?
Matthew has to wander.
Don't I look beautiful? Come on. Isn't that awesome? What do you think, Lillian? Don't I just look